This light kit includes 3 puck lights, 1 holiday remote, 2 48-inch micro USB cords, 3 small command strips, and 3 screws. Charge puck lights with the micro USB cord and a 5-volt 1-amp wall charger, not included. The battery indicator light will change from red to green when fully charged. Clean surface with rubbing alcohol. Remove bracket from puck light. Remove red liner. Press strip onto the back of the bracket. Remove black liner. Press bracket to surface with tab facing toward you. Press firmly for 30 seconds. Rotate light clockwise onto the bracket until it clicks into place. For permanent installation, screw bracket into surface instead of using command strip. Press the button on the side once for 4000K bright white, twice for rotating colors, and 3 times to lock it into the desired color. To operate the remote, remove the plastic battery tab. On the remote, choose from 10 colors and 6 holiday presets. The Christmas tree button creates red and green. St. Patrick's Day shamrock, orange and green. Hanukkah menorah, blue and white. 4th of July star, red and blue. Halloween pumpkin, orange and purple. Valentine's Day heart, red and pink. Press Eco for the light to stay at 100% output for 5 minutes, 30% for 10 minutes, then turn off. Press 10 or 30 for the light to automatically turn off after 10 or 30 minutes. You can also dim and brighten the lights. Stretch each strip slowly against the surface at least 6 inches to release.